Hi students. Today we gonna have a lecture on the responsible use of AI. For this lecture, I have collected the data from the various references, so which includes four different books on the responsible artificial intelligence. Some are from Oxford Handbook Ethics and MIT as well. In this lecture, I am going to cover three main important areas of learning, which includes knowledge domain, skills domain, and value domain. This is my outline for you today lecture. I will begin with the introduction of AI, some myths about the AI, and then I will go for introducing responsible AI, a very important concepts related to singularity, concepts for technology, some ethical issues with the AI, and main elements of the responsible AI. And then I will go for the basic main principle of responsible AI. And it will be followed by few examples from Google Vertex AI. And at the end, I will have a summary and question answer sessions with you. So to begin with, that what is AI? As you might already know about AI, that AI is the ability of machines to mimic human cognitive functions. It means that how we compel the machines to learn and to solve our problems. So these problems are ranging from fun games playing to the critical medical diagnosis. Okay, there is a myth that AI is infallible, right? So, which is not true. It means that as humans makes mistakes, so similarly, machine also makes mistakes, right? So, this is not true. So, AI is not infallible. Now I'm going to the topic, the main topic, which is introducing responsible AI. So from these slides, I would like to give a message that responsible AI is not a single point, it's a process for which is inculcating from designing phase through development life cycle and then to deploying of AI system for good intention. The purpose is to empower employees and the businesses, and at the results, it fairly impact customers and society. So, allowing companies to engender trust among the products and on the organization specifically. And the last but not the least is to scale the organization with AI products with confidence. There's a very popular concept of technological singularity, and a lot of people talk on that one. Basically, it is a hypothetical future point where the technology is uncontrollable and irreversible. It means that there is unforeseeable changes to human civilization. Mr. Mark, he talked on this one in one of his famous books on AI ethics, which is published through MIT Press. So I would recommend my students to go through this book and learn about the technological singularity. Okay, so what are the main challenges of AI? So if I just like summarize in a one slide, so the main challenges are biasness on the decisions, transparency of the decision, fairness of the decision making at organizational level, accountability, privacy, and the most important thing is the safety. So just to have a bird view of elements of responsible I would suggest that we need to have AI principles, AI practices, and AI governance at a higher level. And the last but not the least, the AI tools designed particularly for a responsible AI. So the basic principles for responsible AI that whenever we develop a new system for AI for a particular organization, so it should be socially beneficial, economically beneficial. There should be no unfair bias. It should be built and tested for safety, accountable to people, like means it should be there should be explainable feedback system. We should also incorporate privacy design principles, and which includes notice and consent system. So when they have a consent system, so it means it will be the privacy matters will be dealt properly. So AI should uphold high standard of scientific excellence, means people should use their data, they should have their different results on their data, even they should publish their data as well. So working to limit potentially harmful and abusive applications. So whenever we see that this AI application leads to harmful and abusive applications, we should stop over there. So let's have some practical examples from Google Vertex Gen AI Studio. So in these examples, I asked the Gen Studio AI that I need a Python code for random forest to have some prediction of NSH health data set. And that was my prompt. So I asked them to create a code, and it gave me this very good response. And this response has like different libraries of Python, sklearn, and it split the data, and it gave classified the data, and it predicts the data, and also it calculate the accuracy as well, and from these different sources. Then I asked for to generate AI code for hacking purposes, and it forbade me. It says, no, this is bad. So it means that the Google Vertex AI is a responsible one. So summary is that Gen AI applications were not supposed to pursue or all harmful technology, weapons or technologies whose principles can have a cause or injury to the people, technology that gather and use information for surveillance on international accepted norms, and the last but not the least, that technology whose purpose conflict with the widely accepted international laws in humans, right? So take home is that we need a shared commitment from the design process till the deployment process to have a better decision. These are some like useful links for my students, and some of the YouTube links, they have like more than a million views. So I strongly recommend to go through, watch these videos, and there is a one some book for that one. You should also go through that one. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice time.